How's it going, guys? Come join me today. Let's make pinakbet. I'm using pork shoulder today, so we'll just have to brown our meat here. Let's go ahead and add our garlic. Let's add our onions and some finely chopped ginger. Let's add our tomatoes. Add a little bit of bagoong, about a couple teaspoons. Add a little bit of patis. We'll put our lid on, let this simmer for a good 25-30 minutes or until our pork is tender. Alright, so it's been simmering for a good 15 minutes here on about low-medium heat. We'll add a little bit of water so it doesn't dry up. Alright, let's check on our meat here. It's been simmering now for a good 30 minutes. And I'm pretty sure our meat is tender, and it is. So now we can start adding our vegetables. We'll start with the kalabasa because the kalabasa takes a little longer to cook. We'll let this simmer for a good 2-3 minutes and then we'll add the rest of the vegetables. Alright, so we can add the remaining of our vegetables here. We have our ampalaya, we have our okra, we have our eggplants. Today I'll be using jalapeno peppers. I also have our long beans here. So we'll just combine everything in the pot. And then we'll let this simmer for a good maybe 10 minutes or maybe a little less. I like my vegetables a little bit half cooked. So when you eat them, they have a little bit of a crunch. Alright, my pot filled up a little bit here. Let's put our lid back on, let the vegetables cook. Give them about 5 minutes or so. Alright, let's check on our vegetables here. Alright, let's give it a little taste and see if we need to adjust anything. Depending on how salty you want it, you can, if you want to adjust the taste, you can either add a little bit more bagoong or a little bit more patis. So to me, right now, the taste is perfect, so I don't need to do anything. But the vegetables are not done yet, so we'll give this a few more minutes. Let's check on our pinakbet. Looking pretty good here, and it's looking so good. It's looking so delicious. Alright guys, let's go try the pinakbet. Invited my wife as usual. Anyhow, here's the pinakbet. Here's your spoon and fork.
Thank you.
Let's go find the pepper. You've got our patis on the side.
Alright, cheers.
The perfect bite.
Yum. Never gets old. It's always so good. This is I guess it's the Bahay Kubo. Bahay Kubo meal, where most of the veggies that are mentioned in the Bahay Kubo song are in pinakbet. And we actually have sitaw this time, right? It's not even the beans. Because sitaw are seasonal here as well. So we got lucky that we found some sitaw in our store.
Sitaw is those long Asian beans. Long tropical beans.
Oh, I love also get that beans. Oh, it's crunchy.
Alright guys, like we always say, thank you so much for continuing to watch our videos. You guys take care, okay? We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now.
Bye.